Hi everyone, Tommy here. Let's talk about the workhorses of your AED devices, the pads and batteries that make life-saving possible when seconds count. Today, we're zooming in on the ZOLL AEDs and the Powerheart G5 AED, which is formerly known as Cardiac Science. Each of these devices comes equipped with specialized pads and batteries built for performance, reliability, and simplicity. Because when it's go time, you need the tools you can trust. So buckle up, and let's take a closer look at what keeps these devices rescue ready. Let's start with the CPR-D-padz, the electrode pads designed specifically for the ZOLL AED+. These pads feature a unique one-piece design, making them simple and fast to position accurately during an emergency. They're equipped with ZOLL's patented Real CPR Help technology, which provides real-time feedback on chest compressions. This ensures you're guided every step of the way, helping you adjust as needed. With a 5-year shelf life, the CPR-D-padz minimize replacements and help keep costs down. These pads streamline the rescue process while giving you confidence in delivering high-quality CPR when it matters the most. For the ZOLL AED3, the CPR-Uni-padz electrodes are your go-to option. These versatile pads work for both adult and children, eliminating the need for separate pediatric electrodes. Like the CPR-D-padz, they provide real-time CPR feedback, ensuring compressions are effective and within proper guidelines. The AED3 screen also displays clear visual prompts to assist with pad placement and making the process straightforward, even in high-pressure situations. With a 4-year shelf life, the CPR-Uni-padz are durable, reliable, and ensure your AED is always ready when you need it. The Cardiac Science Powerheart G5 AED uses easy-to-apply defibrillation pads for effective treatment. The adult defibrillation pads are pre-connected and are non-polarized, meaning they can be placed in either position on the chest for quick application. For pediatric rescues, the pediatric defibrillation pad automatically adjusts energy levels to safely treat children under 8 years old or weighing less than 55 pounds. Both pad types have a 2-year shelf life, providing durability and reliability when every second matters. These intuitive pads simplify the rescue process, making them ideal for both trained professionals and everyday users. Now let's move on to the batteries that power the ZOLL devices. The ZOLL AED Plus uses standard 123 lithium camera batteries, which are widely available, easy to replace, and offer a 5-year lifespan. The ZOLL AED3 is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, delivering up to 5 years of standby power or 300 shocks per charge. Both battery options minimize downtime and ensure your AED is ready when it counts. The Powerheart G5 AED uses a long-lasting IntelliSense lithium battery, which provides up to 5 years of standby power and supports 500 shocks or 12 hours of continuous monitoring. This battery is equipped with a self-monitoring technology, allowing the AED to perform daily, weekly, and monthly self-tests, ensuring consistent readiness. This reliable power source ensures the G5 AED is always rescue ready. ZOLL's and Cardiac Science's pads and batteries are designed with reliability, simplicity, and durability in mind. Whether it's the real-time CPR feedback from the ZOLL's pads or the intuitive design of Cardiac Science's non-polarized pads, these consumables ensure your AEDs are always ready to save lives. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or need assistance, our team is here to help. Stay safe and keep your AEDs rescue ready.